my mother asked me, Antonio, hey, do you know how many years you are not home already? I said, no, Mama. She said, 20 years you're not home. Of course, I always go back, no? For 1 month, blah, 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 but I've been around for 20 years, and I was like, really? Moje ime je Antonio Zamora Caceres, drugače se ljudje me kličejo Bongo in sem iz Mexico City. Z Mexico Cityja se reče, ne? Cityja, ja. I met a Slovenian girl in Mexico. She was there, I think, 4 times. And then we fall in love. And then I came to visit her. You know, Mexicans, we are this telenovela varianta, ne? Oh, te quiero mucho, and I had to do it. Yeah, it was hard. It was hard. Actually, I moved 8 years ago, but you know, I'm a guy that has been growing up from home for many, many years, you know? But I have that type of energy, you know, since I was a kid. It's like, I remember I was, I don't know, 17, 16 years old, and then we went on vacations to Cancun, Mexico. And then my father said to me, okay, we have to go. I said, Tata, no, I don't go, I stay here. How are you going to stay here? I would like to be here. And then I stay, no? When I came here, I remember that people started, China started saying, oh, there's a black guy in the town, there's a black guy in the town, no? And then, you know, we Latin people, we're very, very open and energetic. And of course, I start saying hello to everybody, you know. And at the beginning, it was very, very hard, especially with older people. Hello, dober dan. And people was like, at the beginning, like, you know, Idria.
And I never gonna leave you, babe, solo me queda decir. Gracias a la vida con eres no perfect, you know, at my side.
Music is my love. Music is my life. I think music is the best language in this world. We have music in our heart. When we're walking, we have rhythm. Music is the best thing, I think, the best language in the world. No? My father was a very successful singer, an actor in Mexico. My sister, a singer too. My mother was a folkloric dancer. In Mexico, was a very, very, very famous kid, no? And then when this kid started changing the voice, these producers came to my home to see if I wanted to be the next one, no? But I was saying, no. Why I have to do the same thing that my father does, you know? Why? No, ni chance. Termast, young. China, for me, is very special. The buria. I love the buria. This crazy air that comes and, you know, makes you. I love this place with all my heart. I had the opportunity with Elvis Jackson to go all around Europe, and there's very beautiful places. I could choose to go there. No, a lot of people ask me, why you don't go to Spain? You speak Spanish. It's way easier for you, you know. But I like it here. I like it here in Žive naj vsi narodi, hrepe ne dočaka dan, je koder sonce hodi. Lepir za zveta voprek, ne? Ja, Slovenija.